What is up, you guys? It is Parker here with Deco Exchange.
Hey y'all.
Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
So let's make a bow real fast. All right. So let's get ourselves a nice 12-inch tail. All right. So we're starting out with our 4-inch on the bottom. And I'm going to show you in just a second why I like the long pipe cleaner. All right, let's get our center loop in there. All right. So we got our pipe cleaner. Let's slide off our bow. Get our pipe cleaner wrapped in there. All right. Get it twisted. All right. So we have a nice big bow. Y'all. And now we have all of our extra pipe cleaner. And this is super important on your deco mesh wreaths, especially if you make them like I do. Now, our pipe cleaners are long enough that it doesn't get sucked into the mesh. It's gonna sit right on top. Now look, your bows are gonna sit on top of your mesh. If we had used a regular pipe cleaner, it would have had to be sunk way in there. Let's dovetail it. That's it. I didn't have a lot of, that was the big news, long pipe cleaners. All right, y'all, there's our bow.